Did you know that every time you take a puff of marijuana, it's like hitting the fast-forward button on your brain's control center? Or is it the self-destruct button? Let's find out. Your brain is a complex supercomputer. It processes billions of pieces of information every second using tiny messengers called neurons. These neurons talk to each other by shooting out chemicals called neurotransmitters. It's like text messages between your brain cells. But what happens when marijuana hijacks this messaging system? Turns out, THC, the active chemical in marijuana, isn't just joining the chat, it's rewriting the script. THC looks eerily similar to a natural brain chemical called anandamide, often nicknamed the bliss molecule. Anandamide usually helps your brain stay balanced, keeping things like mood and memory in check. But THC is like an overconfident party crasher. It floods your brain with a surge of stimulation, removing the calm and control button your neurons rely on. Suddenly your brain goes from a well-organized orchestra to a chaotic rock concert. Here's the wild part. Once THC enters the picture, it removes a neuron's natural cool-down period, called the refractory state. Imagine if every thought or idea you had became the most important thing ever. Ever gotten stuck on a thought and couldn't let go? That's THC supercharging your neurons, making one idea snowball into another. It's like your brain is binge-watching itself, and there's no stop button. But that's not all. THC also cranks up your brain's dopamine levels, the chemical responsible for pleasure and reward. At first it feels great, euphoria, relaxation, and even heightened senses. But here's the catch. Too much dopamine can throw your brain into overdrive, leading to anxiety, paranoia, or feeling like you're on a mental roller coaster you didn't sign up for. And THC doesn't stop there. It locks onto receptors in the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory. Ever walked into a room and immediately forgot why? Now imagine that times 10. It also targets the cerebellum, which controls coordination and balance. This is why some people feel clumsy or disconnected after using marijuana. It's not just in your head, it's literally in your brain. So is marijuana harmless? Not exactly. While it's not the villain many once thought, it's no innocent bystander either. The way it amplifies, disrupts, and rewires your brain's natural processes is both fascinating and concerning. But wait, this is just the beginning. Want to know how long these effects last? Or what happens when your brain is exposed to THC over time? Stick around because we're diving even deeper in the next episode.